Nike is the best sportswear brand in the world, and analytics plays a key role in order for us to stay competitive. Analytics push you to get to that whole new level of creativity. It is incredibly powerful to have a tool that enables you to drive a message. And at Nike Airmax, everything is done in JMP and is the only statistical software we use at this manufacturing facility. All quality engineers are trained with JMP. Functions like Graph Builder, fantastic, so simple, so easy, yet so powerful. It's a sandbox basically, where you export your creativity. Honestly, by not adopting analytics or weaving it into the fabric of your business, it seems like eventually you'll be wasting a lot of time. I think part of that is getting folks into a different headspace where they'll see the business move forward, propel into the future. And JMP plays a crucial role.